Hi friends, let me show you these metal adjustable furniture legs that I bought for my office vanity. We are going to install them. I just want to show you that these legs will go from 10 to 17 inches, depending on what's the height of the furniture that you need. We are going to use like 14 inches. And these legs are great if you want to put more support on your vanity, or if you need the 4 legs for any furniture, a table, a couch, a sofa, whatever, okay? So if you need new legs or a replacement metal leg for your furniture, these are great options. Let's install them. When you install them, you want to measure the height you need. As you can see, it's about 14 inches, and you want to put them a little shorter, like half an inch, so you can fix them to the bottom of the furniture, and then you will fine adjust the height, okay? That's it. You have the legs installed, and as I told you, you are going to do the fine tune of the height, just like that. So this vanity will be well, more secure, and if somebody, for any reason, hangs from it, it will have extra support. And it looks also really nice. So if you need new metal legs for your furniture, these are great. Thank you.